Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hey kids, let's draw a tall and swaying coconut tree. Start with a straight trunk, leafy crown, and yummy coconuts. Add some texture to the trunk and leaves.
Whoa! Bravo! Perfect! Fabulous! Fabulous! Perfect!
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.